Welcome! Today we're diving into the latest update on how to add photos to your Instagram profile directly from your PC. This new feature makes it easier than ever to manage your Instagram account without needing to rely solely on your mobile device. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, you'll notice a fresh interface that enhances your posting experience. Next, look for the More icon on the left side of the menu. This icon is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your view. Click on it to expand the menu options. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. To update your profile picture, find and click on Edit Profile. This section allows you to make changes to your profile information, including your photo. Now, locate the Change Photo option. Clicking this will prompt a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to choose a new image from your computer. Select the photo you want to upload and then click Open. Make sure the image is of high quality and represents you well. After selecting your photo, Instagram may give you options to crop or adjust it before finalizing the upload. Take a moment to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied with how it appears, simply save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a new photo to your Instagram profile using your PC. This feature not only streamlines the process, but also allows for better editing capabilities compared to mobile uploads. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to updating your Instagram profile from the comfort of your computer. Embrace this new functionality and keep your profile looking fresh and engaging. Thank you for tuning in, and happy posting.